Hi there, welcome to heyC. This is your guide to learning the platform and getting started to make your teaching life easier. heyC works as your personal teaching coach. It's available for guidance, ideas, and support. It's loaded with all of your district's information and policies. So think things like HR information, lesson plans, pacing guides, and so much more. Because it's all available to you, you can get answers that are specific to your school and your position, as opposed to generic random answers from something like ChatGPT. Because heyC is provided through your district and fully aligned with district-approved content, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're having conversations in a safe, approved space. Now, let's walk you through how to ask questions effectively so you can get the most out of your work. This is your dashboard. When you open heyC, this is what you'll be greeted with. You'll notice C in the middle, ready to help you get started with a chat if you have questions or you want to jump in right away. When we click the heyC over here on the left, it takes you to this menu of resources you can use throughout your day. You'll notice that these aren't just generic AI prompts. These are organized the way that teachers think. If you want assistance planning lessons, you can click on the lesson planning button. If you want help on challenging classroom management topics, you can click classroom management. And if you're looking for guidance on things related to your district, you can select district procedures. heyC is built specifically for K-12 educators, so everything you see here is designed around the real challenges and questions teachers face every day. For now, let's show some examples. We're going to start with student engagement. You'll notice this section comes pre-populated with some questions that you might be thinking about just to get you started. Let's say you're preparing for that funky time right before winter break and you're trying to keep your students engaged and calm. We found that it's helpful when asking questions to use the what, why framework, especially if you're new to prompting. Here's how that works. First, you'll explain what your question is. So what are some calm, structured activities for the last 2 days before break? Then you'll hit submit. heyC will generate some ideas we can use in your classroom. And it's as simple as that. Now you've got some practical ideas to help make this pre-winter break period a little easier. If you're looking for more ways to get started, you can click over to the Coach Corner. There are some videos here that can help you along the way. Thanks so much for watching. Now go ahead and explore. heyC is here to support you every step of the way. Happy teaching.